Quick tips: open Prime Video and tap on the profile picture icon, greater than settings, greater than my account, greater than sign out. Then sign back in and check again. Go to Prime Video settings, greater than registered devices, and deregister any unnecessary devices. Long press the Prime Video app icon and tap on remove app, greater than delete app. Then reinstall the Prime Video app and check again. Check your internet connection. The app may not load properly if you access Prime Video on a sketchy internet connection. So check and ensure your internet connection is sufficient. You can also check our guide if your iPad isn't connecting to the internet. Check your Amazon membership status. Most users get a Prime Video subscription with their Amazon Prime plan. If your Prime membership has expired, you can't access Prime Video on any device, including the iPhone and iPad. So check the Amazon app and ensure this is not the case. Disable VPN. Some Prime Video titles are restricted to specific regions. Additionally, Prime Video also detects an active VPN connection on your device and blocks access. So disable the VPN connection on your iPhone or iPad and try again. Check for app updates. An outdated Prime Video app on your iPhone or iPad can cause streaming issues. You can head to the App Store and update the app to the latest version. Step 1. Open the Prime Video app and tap the profile picture icon at the top right corner. Step 2. Go to Settings. Step 3. Tap on My Account. Step 4. Tap on Sign Out and confirm your decision. Then sign back in and check again. Step 1. Open Prime Video, greater than tap on profile picture, greater than settings. Step 2. Tap on registered devices. Step 3. Hit deregister beside unnecessary devices and confirm your decision. Step 1. Long press the Prime Video app icon, greater than select remove app. Step 2. Hit delete app. Now go to the App Store and download the Prime Video app again. Then log in with your Prime Video account and see if the app is working as expected.